The Community Groomer Build series is supported by SB Fabrication and Parts, CETE Parts, Old Time Parts, Motec Machining and Cylinder Mowers, Brisbane Cylinder Mower Specialist, Rio Mower Solutions WA, Design at Dusk, and Scott Bonnar Restorations.
Hey, it's Michael from Love Lawn. Today I want you guys to tell me what we're going to do with this groomer. As always, thank you for joining me today on the channel on Love Lawn. My name is Michael, and today it's time to kick off the community build of this groomer. So if you've been watching the rebuild series, you've seen what we've done with this machine in terms of powder coating, our color choices, our brass knobs, front reels, height adjusters, the color scheme in general. So the question is, what are we going to do with our groomer? Are we going to match it, or are we going to do something different? So the basic color scheme idea for this machine was obviously the Dulux powder coat. It's a paint called Aztec Silver, and it's baked on. There's a corresponding video on the channel in the rebuild series if you want to check that out, where we go through some of this and I talk about the details. We're picking up on the original bronze height adjuster knob. So this thing was covered in paint when I got this mower, blasted it off and found this beautiful thing underneath. So I kind of went with that. For the handlebars, rather than having them re-chromed, basically just blasted them back and painted them in a satin black. That's a powder coat as well. The reel, because it's an older reel, I just went really basic with that. It's just got a black matte primer on it because I like the matte look basically, and the primer was matte. So whatever, this thing will get replaced in time. So for our friend over here, personally, I'd love to see an original olive green with a red reel and chrome bars, or maybe black bars. But that's only one option, and that's only my opinion. This mower belongs to you guys, so you guys tell me what you want to do with it. So I'm going to put a poll up on Facebook. Feel free to jump on there and tell me what you think. If you've got any of your own ideas, feel free to plug them in. Otherwise, vote and have your say. It's a community build. You guys tell me what you want to do, what you guys want to see, and we'll do it. We'll make it happen. You know, I love the Aztec Silver. I love the powder coat, but I've never done an original paint job. You know, that might be loads of fun, and I know a lot of you do original paint jobs, so you might enjoy seeing the final result. So thanks as always for joining us. Don't forget to hit subscribe if you're interested in following along with the groomer rebuild. Of course, there are the teardown and rebuild series for this machine if you're interested, as well as a walkthrough series. And of course, feel free to like this video if you enjoyed the content today. Drop us a comment down below if you have any questions or comments, and we will see you next time.